So, good morning mates. Call an emergency toolbox because we will conduct crankshaft reflections of our engines. So, first is our safety. So, wear all your PPE clothing, especially gloves and hard shoes. Then, before we conduct crankshaft reflections, make sure that we inform the bridge or the captains. So, inform that we will conduct a maintenance of 10 hours. Then, put a lockout and tag out. Then, check all the tools are required for maintenance and the required spares, also, especially the shell bearing. Then, risk assessment and risk management. So, clean the area, remove all of flammable materials that can harm us or in the engines. And also, get invalid permits of works and documentations. So, first, fill up the maintenance form and also use PMS or the plant maintenance systems. And also, record our job in the logbooks because some days we not put the Coast Guards will check if we maintenance the engines. And also, the assigned task. You are the assigned in engaging the turning gear. And also, you are assigned in getting the tools and opening the crankcase door and also the test caps. And you are assigned in putting the indicator in the conquest. So make sure that in this doing our maintenance jobs, especially the most important is the safety. Always be on lookout to prevent accidents.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And that's also can we go to the